அன்பு நிறைந்த மாணவிகளுக்கு எனது பாராட்டுகளும் வாழ்த்துக்களும் இனிய வணக்கங்களும். ஏனென்றால் இந்த ஆன்லைன் வகுப்பு தொடங்கிய இந்த 2 மாதங்களில் நீங்கள் உங்களின் சிறப்பான அந்த ஆன்சர்ஸால் எங்களை ரொம்ப கவர்ந்திருக்கிறீங்க. ஆன்லைன் வகுப்புகளை நீங்கள் சரியாக கவனித்து நாங்கள் கேட்கும் வினாக்களுக்கு தினமும் சரியாக நிறைய பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறீங்க. அது உண்மையிலே மிக மகிழ்ச்சியாக உள்ளது. அதுவே எங்களுக்கு மிகப்பெரிய தெம்பாகவும் உள்ளது. அதில் சிறிதளவும் மையமில்லை. இந்த நேரத்திலே சிறப்பாக உங்களை நான் பாராட்டுகிறேன். ஏனென்றால் நீங்கள் நிறைய பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறதுனால தான் நாங்கள் இன்னும் வீடியோ நல்லபடியாக பண்ணணும், இன்னும் நல்லா அழகாக பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஆசை இருக்குது. சரியா? அதுக்காண்டி உங்களை நான் பாராட்டுறேன். சிறப்பாக உங்கள் பெற்றோர்களுக்கு எனது பாராட்டுகளையும் நன்றிகளையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றேன். ஏனென்றால் உங்களுக்கு மிக மிக பெரிய உந்து சக்தியாக இருந்து அவர்கள் செயல்படுகிறார்கள். அவர்களுக்கு எனது பாராட்டுகள். மாணவிகளை வரும் காலங்களிலும் கூட நீங்கள் சிறப்பாக இதனை செய்தீர்கள் என்று நான் நம்புகிறேன். அதற்கு எனது மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்களும் பாராட்டுகளும் ஜெபங்களும். நன்றி மாணவிகளே.
Hello children, this is Mrs. Maria, your English teacher. I am very happy to be meeting you all through this video. And it is a very small gesture from all of us for the hard work that you've been putting in for the entire 2 months. And yes, it is a very difficult time for most of us during this pandemic, but we should be grateful to God for the life and breath that He's given us. Regarding your subjects, and I really want to appreciate all the children who've been genuinely sending in all your worksheets every day effortlessly. And when I send in the 100% and 10 out of 10, I feel so happy. It really makes my day, children. Thank you very much for all the cooperation from your side. And I really want to thank all your parents who've been supporting us, because without their support it is totally impossible for us to be interacting with you or even reaching you. So thank you parents for the support that you've been giving us. And regarding the recorded classes, I hope it has been useful for you, and you can even save it for future use. And please try to interact more children, because it's only been about subjects in the group. So I expect more of your interaction in terms of subject, as well as you can talk to us about any difficulty that you going through, or if you're not able to complete your work for that particular day, you want an excuse, you want to complete it on some other day, you can talk to us. So I expect more interaction in the days to come. And please be free, children. It is just like your classroom. So make the best use of the teachers available, as well as the learning that you've been given from the school. So please stay healthy, take care of yourselves, enjoy as much as you can. And I hope all this chaos in the country ends soon, and we meet in our usual classrooms to have our own fun and learning. And once again, thank you children. Please stay safe and take good care of you all. Thank you.
Hello children, hope you all will be fine. Even though we are not able to meet directly, we are connecting through WhatsApp as one team, and every day we are moving forward to the success. Thank you children for doing your work properly. And also I want to thank parents, because you are sparing your valuable time for the children, and you are replacing our place there. Every day you are motivating the children to do their work and sitting with them and guiding them in a proper way. Thank you parents, you are doing a great job. Keep going children. Thank you.
Hi cuties, it's been a long wait for us to meet each other. Hope you all are fine and safe. I know it is how hard to sit at home without meeting the friends, without playing on the school ground. But still, we'll hope the best to come in the future. It has been a tough job for you all to listen to the video and do the worksheets. We can very well understand, but still, I would like to appreciate you all for the effort you're taking to do the homework. Many of you are sincerely listening to the videos and answering the worksheets. Very good, my children. Keep up the same spirit in doing the homework. In case if you have any doubts or clarifications you need, you can very well ask in the group. So every subject teachers are ready to clear your doubts. And special appreciation for your Saturday art and craft works. Very creative and innovative the works are. Okay, so keep doing. Keep yourself very active at home also. Okay, what possibility ways you can make yourself active, like playing games with your parents. Spend a quality time with your family members. Okay, and special thanks to the parents for supporting us and helping your child to do the work. God bless you, my dear children.
Hello my dear children, hope all are fine and safe at home. We teachers miss you all very much, children. It's been more than 2 months since we started these classes through WhatsApp. And I really appreciate all of you for responding so well. This pandemic situation has changed the routine way of life completely. Everything is upside down, right? But you all have learned to adapt to this new situation. Very good, children. I congratulate and appreciate all of you for your prompt response for the homeworks and for your creative artistic work, very especially on Saturdays. We teachers long for Saturdays to see your creative work. Very good. I extend my sincere thanks to all parents for taking up the role of a teacher. Since we teachers are not be able to present with the children physically, dear parents, you are doing very good work. Thank you for being so supportive. Thanks a lot. And my dear children, you're at home, you're not in a holiday, so read a lot of books, okay? And you have to pray that this pandemic situation should disappear very soon, okay? We all should meet each other personally, right? And we all should meet our friends also. So you have to pray that this pandemic situation should disappear very soon, okay? Okay, my dear children, keep up this good work. God bless you all abundantly. We miss you, children.